Hey, it's me, not Doug. I'm going to teach you how to do some testing of your solutions, your saturated, 50% dilution. We're going to use the concept of density to do some testing. As you know or may not know, density has to do with how much of something is packed into it. And the more dense something is, it tends to be a lot heavier for a smaller size. And so you can use sinking and floating as a measurement for density. And that's what we're going to do today. We have these solutions that you made. This is our green solution, which is 50% diluted. And we also have some water, but you're going to have 3 different solutions you're testing. To do this, it's pretty simple. What you do is you take a clean test tube, rinsed out if you need to. It can be reused over after doing your testing and recording your observations, and you could just rinse it out at the sink or at your table. Okay, you've got rinse water for that reason. I'm going to use water to demonstrate, but you're not going to be using the water. You're going to be using your solutions. So I'm going to take some water and put it in the test tube, and I'm going to fill it up about 2 inches, about half the length of my pinky. You can see that's about 2 inches right there. Then I'm going to take some green solution. Now this green solution has salt in it, and so the concept of density tells me that because there's something in the solution, it's going to be more dense or heavier. So it should sink into this solution. So if I just add a drop, you can see that it sinks down into it. Now, if I place the test tube, the dropper at the bottom of the test tube, like so, and I squeeze gently, I should be able to make a layer of, I might have a little bit of air bubbles in there first, but I should be able to make a layer of green solution at the bottom if it's actually more dense. And you can see that because it's got salt in it, it has something packed inside, and it's heavier and more dense than the water. So it's literally making a layer of green at the bottom. So long as I don't let go of the pipette and I remove it from the water, I can show that there is an actual separation of the water and the green solution. Okay? Now your job is to do some testing and try different colors. Okay? Try different combinations. I'm giving you a worksheet to follow, which tells you put something below something else. That means you put something in first and then you put the other color in below it. Try to get the pipette as close to the bottom as you can. Some of the longer test tubes are a little tricky in getting that process exactly right. But if you aren't having any success with it, see if you can find a shorter test tube at your table. Anyway, have fun with it, and I'll see you on Monday.